What's up everybody, my name is Brandon and as always I am here with Tony and we are exploring horizons. Today we're docked at Turtle Bay Pier in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. We decided to step off the ship, take a walk through town and make our way to the famous Margaritaville, so let's check it out. Most ships will dock at Turtle Bay or nearby Reynolds, aka the James Bond Pier. When we were there was a Holland America ship docked. Interesting fact, it's called James Bond Pier because it was a filming location for the first Bond movie, Dr. No, which I definitely did not know, thank you Google. I'd say this is about a 15-minute easy walk through the town and on your way to Margaritaville.
Once you hit the end of the dock, you come up on your first opportunity to take a cool photo with the ship in the background. Next, you will walk through the building or around it like we did, which was the long way, and come up on the market that has the locals selling a lot of souvenir type items. They are very nice and friendly, but they will try and stop you and hand you things to buy. This is also where people would get their transportation for the excursions.
Along the way, it's also really fun to see local street performers singing and dancing.
As you approach the shopping plaza, you will see locals trying to sell you taxi rides into town. Inside here, you will stumble upon the guy selling coconut drinks, Starbucks, some cigar and ice cream shops, a few other restaurants and bars, and then you have finally made it to Margaritaville.
This is really a nice little walk and we finally made it to Margaritaville. Time for that ice cold beer. Of course we're in Jamaica, so I'm going with a red stripe. That'll run you about $7 here. And then Tony, definitely not a beer drinker, so she went with an electric lemonade, which is a frozen daiquiri, and that run her about $12. For you non-drinkers, bottled water is $3.50.
Since Margaritaville is on the beach, if you purchase food and drinks, you do get free access. If you want to rent a chair and umbrella, they told us it was $55 for two. I'm sure you could try and negotiate depending on how busy it is. It was a nice little area as well because you could see the ships in the background. Margaritaville does have a pool and slide, but when we were there, the swim-up bar was not opened.
Thanks for watching everyone. Be sure to tune in to our upcoming short where we'll take you inside Margaritaville.